Hello everyone. So today I'm opening a new playlist in Microsoft Excel. So we are going to talk about charts in this playlist. And to begin with, we are going to cover Bubplot in Microsoft Excel. So let me just increase my view a little bit, and then I will be able to get started. Yeah. So here, as you can see here, I have a data representation of values from in this scenario. For example, you want to find out what is the reason as to why students face issues when it comes to coming late to school, and now you want to know different reasons as to why students come late to school. So every student will give their own reasons, and let's say we group these reasons into how many are these into four. It's five, so five scenarios, and we want to find out in terms of visual how many students or how many students had a particular reason. And now we see it helps us in decision making, and also maybe giving advices to the parents that will be visiting the school, yeah, and stuff like that. So it's very important to understand the background of why students come to school late. And now in this case, let's say 14 students said that they got stuck in traffic. Five said that it was still dark. They thought it is still too dark, although it was not. Yeah, although it was still nighttime, so they thought like that. So students also have different variation in terms of reasons. Others forgot to set alarm. Some will tell you they forgot to set alarm. That's 26. And then 8 said they thought it was on Saturday. So most of the students maybe think it's a weekend, so they can come to school late, or maybe they don't have to go to school, something like that. And others can also say that maybe their underwears were not clean and stuff like that. So these students have different reasons and the background of this. And now we try to find out in terms of visual how does it mean. So how do we carry out Bubplot in Microsoft Excel, and what is Bubplot in first case? So Bubplot is a horizontal representation of bars, each bar containing a proportion out of the total contribution. So let's plot in Microsoft Excel. So highlight your data. For you to plot in bar plots in Microsoft Excel, highlight, go to insert. Under insert, you can see here a lot of visuals in charts. So let's go to this one, almost the column chart, where you will be able to get the bar chart. So here you'll see different column charts, and now we go to the bar chart. So we want to start with the 2D bar chart. So this is how we get a 2D bar chart. And let me just minimize my view because I had enlarged my view to 200 because of the data itself. So let me minimize this, yeah, like that. And then now I can structure my stuff pretty cool. So here we have a simple bar chart, which is a 2D dimensional. So I can change my chart to reasons why students come late to school. Reasons why students come late to school. So once we have that, we can see that on our y-axis we have different reasons, and then on our x-axis we have the representation of these reasons. So is there anything you're missing on our data? Maybe if you want to remove the grid lines, you can remove, but this is actually a simple representation of data, so you can be able to see more cases here. So you can be able to add axis title. For example, you can say reasons. The other side you can write reasons. This side you can write reasons. Reasons. And then the other side we can write, this side we can write number of students. Number of students. Yeah, as simple as that. So there you'll have your simple bar chart. Simple bar chart. You can add data labels. You can add data labels on your bars. So just check this. Add data labels on your bars, and you can decide where to position them, either outside, inside, call out, and stuff like that. So you can data call out. You can call out your data like that. You can have the outside end. You can have the inside base. You can see they're inside, and then the inside end. So you can vary. You can put them at the center. So let me just leave mine as simple as that. Right. Legends, you can add legends to a bar. In this case, you don't need legends because everything is just visual there. And maybe if you're interested in a trend line which is not important for the bar charts, you don't have to put them. So these are some of the things that you will explore when it comes to building charts. So different charts vary on what to add and what not to add. So this is just a simple of our data there. And now by understanding this, we are good to go in terms of building a bar chart. So here we can clearly see that the reason that is leading with a lot of students is they forgot to set alarm. Thank you.